Most of the day's been dry. Most of tonight and tomorrow will be dry, but little spots of showers and sprinkles may still pop up tonight and during the daytime on Saturday. But rain chances, maybe like 20%, and rainfall amounts mostly pretty light. You might get a brief shower now and then, but not much rain around. Once again, it's still tracking warmer temperatures. We're on track to begin a warming trend Sunday going into Monday. I think Monday might be the hottest of the 2 days when temperatures have a chance to maybe hit some record highs. Thought we were done with the heat. Well, not yet, but at least tomorrow is still fairly cool. Now, if you look at the satellite and radar, well, just radar here, clouds are coming in, but little spots of showers are occasionally popping up and moving west across the valley, and a few may pop up here and there anytime this evening and tonight and kind of move off to the west. But as I mentioned, rainfall amounts look pretty small, and little showers are popping up just south of Rio Grande City in Mexico, but you see a few little blips now and then, maybe a sprinkle kind of near La Casita and kind of close to Garciasville out there. So things mostly dry. Temperatures are in the 70s now. We're at 79 in McAllen, 73 in Brownsville, 72 in Raymondville, and 77 in Rio Grande City. This evening, temperatures should fall through the 70s into the upper 60s, should drop down into the low to mid 60s late tonight. You might see a few patches of fog if the winds die off enough late tonight, but the evening fog-free as temperatures stay a little too warm for fog, but winds still lightly blowing from the east and northeast. There's a weak front on the map. We were showing you this one yesterday coming through Texas, kind of just slowing up and not much left to it now. It's kind of brushing the valley and hanging offshore, but near that front, little showers are popping up. So with that front in the area, it's barely going to move the rest of tonight and tomorrow. It's just close enough it may occasionally spark a shower across the valley. The future track does show a little bit of rain here and there. Overnight, you see from 8 p.m. through midnight, tries to show maybe a couple showers popping up and moving westward. And even during the day tomorrow, maybe a sprinkle or light rain shower at times coming in off the Gulf or popping up and moving west through the valley. But again, rainfall amounts maybe a tenth of an inch or less, if even that. Most of the time, it should just stay kind of cloudy tomorrow, maybe a little cloudier than today. That should help keep temperatures down most of the day in the 70s. And then by tomorrow night, there's midnight, mostly dry weather, maybe a little sprinkle or two. And then Sunday, you notice how the clouds are starting to move back up to the north. Sunday's the day when I think the clouds will break up by afternoon, and we could see temperatures return to the 80s most everywhere. Future track is showing the clouds holding on, though, closer to the coast. It might be a little cloudier the closer you are to the coast and maybe a sprinkle in the morning, but mostly dry weather on Sunday coming up. And the warming trend continues. Monday should be a day when, with more sunshine, it gets breezy and hot. May have some record highs. So your first 15-70 forecast. 78 tomorrow with clouds most of the day, maybe a sprinkle or shower. Sunday, we should begin to break apart the clouds and back in the 80s. Monday could be a day when we hit record highs close to 90, especially in the upper valley. A cold front tries to move in later Tuesday, probably not until Wednesday when the cooler weather gets here. It could knock temperatures down into the upper 60s and 70s Wednesday and Thursday. We'll track that front in more detail coming up in your first 4 and 5 forecast.